So welcome back to Sangam tutorials, SP Gubbi online classes for CBSE and state syllabus students. So we were solving problems on arithmetic progressions. So yesterday we covered problems on nth term of an AP, where out of 4 elements, 3 elements were given and you used to find out the remaining element. So based on that, you solved problems on how to find out A, how to find out D, how to find out AN, that is nth term, and at last how to find out the number of terms, that is N. So today's class is a very important class because here is a very peculiarity in this derivation, very important derivation. I hope you will enjoy this. So in this derivation, we are going to come across a situation when solving problems on AP where two different terms of an AP will be given to you. Two different terms, maybe 5th term and 7th term, 10th term and 20th term, 2nd term and 5th term, something like that. So two terms will be given to you such that they are not succeeding terms, in the sense they do not come one after the other. So you will not be given like 4th and 5th terms, 6th and 7th, 9th and 10th. So not those type of terms. You will be given two different terms of an AP, maybe 5th and 6th, 5th and 7th, 8th and 10th, like this. So when you are given two different terms of an AP, you will be asked to find out the common difference of that AP. So when two different terms of an AP are given and you are asked to find out the common difference of an AP, then I am coming out with a very simple handy formula to find out the value of D. So that derivation or that formula is not in your syllabus, not in your textbook, which is not used in your textbook, but you can use it to find out the value of D in a very simple manner. So this will be very useful for you while solving problems on 3 marks and 4 marks. So let us call this as bookwork 2. So we will go with this. So follow the steps, follow the understand the theoretical background and deeply understand the concept. So you have to remember the formula, and the main thing is you should be knowing where and when to apply this formula. So this is a very effective formula, so we will go with that. So now let us get into the bookwork 2. So here, let AP and AQ be any two terms of the AP. Condition is that P is greater than Q. That is the condition. That is, AP stands for some term and AQ stands for some other term where P is greater than Q. P is greater than Q, that is the given condition. So here, when I write P is greater than Q, it is understood that in that AP there are two different terms. That's the condition. They are entirely two different terms. So when two different terms of an AP are given, we have to find out the value of D, that is common difference. Let AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into Q, take it as equation 1. If you write it as AN, that is written as A plus N minus 1 into D, okay, that is written as D. AP can AN, if it is AN, then it is written as A plus N minus 1 into D. As in the place of N, we are having P. Just in place of N, we are going to write P. That's all. So take it as equation 1. So AQ, we will define it. So again, it is A plus Q minus 1 into D. Take it as equation 2. So I have defined the pth term and also I have defined the qth term. Just to differentiate, I have taken P and Q, and don't forget the condition, that is P is greater than Q. So now let us go with another step, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So AP minus AQ is equal to AP minus AQ, LHS you have subtracted, so therefore RHS are going to get subtracted. So A plus P minus 1 into D minus, as it is a binomial, after the minus sign you have to open the brackets, write the binomial A plus Q minus 1 into D. So this is AP minus AQ, this is AP minus, and this is AQ. So AP minus AQ is equal to A plus D into plus P is DP, D into minus 1 is minus D, minus, open the brackets inside, then we will multiply. A plus D into Q is DQ, D into minus 1 is minus D. So AP minus AQ is equal to A plus DP minus D minus, minus into plus A is minus A, minus into plus DQ is minus DQ, minus into minus D is plus D. So AP minus AQ, before writing the step, look at the terms which may get cancelled. So here plus A minus A is going to get cancelled, minus D plus D is going to get cancelled. So you are left over with dp minus dq, dp minus dq. So write the LHS as, the RHS as LHS and LHS as RHS. So it gets converted like this: dp minus dq is equal to AP minus AQ. So take D as common, so that becomes P minus Q is equal to AP minus AQ. So therefore D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So this is the formula is to find the common difference of an AP when entirely two different terms are given which are not consecutive. So you have to remember this formula: D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q, where condition applies P is greater than Q. So we have a formula with us now, so which is used to find the common difference when two different terms of an AP are given. So we will apply that in this problem. In an AP, A4 is 17. So we do not know the AP is totally unknown to us, but its fourth term value is 17 and its seventh term is 23. So here you can observe here, fourth term and seventh term are not consecutive. They do not come one after the other. So they are entirely two different terms. So this is the method to recognize whether you have to apply the formula to find out D or not. This is the way of thinking. Find D. So two different terms are given. We have to find out D. Formula is ready with us. So we have to go with some data regarding that. I will show you how it is done. After finding out D, also find the value of A. So A in that AP, as we know that it is the first term. Okay, let us go with this. Let us write the required data. So don't forget that AP is greater than AQ, where P is greater than Q. So you have to remember this. So let, which is the bigger term in the AP? Don't see the value of the terms. Look at the term value of the terms. Term value, here it is A7 and here it is A4. Which is bigger? It is A7. So consider that as AP. So let AP is equal to A7 is equal to 23. Next, similarly, let AQ is equal to A4 is equal to 70. This is the required one. This is very important. AP is equal to AQ, A7 is equal to 23. Biggest you have considered for AP. Smaller one we have taken as AQ. So now, here AP, entire value of AP is 23. Entire value of AQ is 17. But the value of P is 7. Here the value of Q is 4. This is how we have to differentiate. Enter AP value is 23, value of P is 7. Enter AQ value is 17, whereas Q value is 4. So now let us apply the formula. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. I hope you remember this. So D is equal to, what is the value of AP? Entire AP value, it is 23 minus entire AQ value, that is 17 by P minus Q, that is 7. P value is 7 and Q value is 4. So that comes 7 minus 4. So D is equal to 23 minus 17. That comes to 6. By 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So D is equal to the most simplest method in an AP to find out the value of D when entirely two different terms are given. So once you know the value of D, next task is finding out the value of A. So listen to the condition. If you know the value of D and you know the value of any term of an AP, then substitute that value of D in any one of the terms you like, then you will get A. Once again I will repeat, if you are having the value of D of an AP, in order to find out A, substitute the value of D in any one term of that AP to find out the value of A. So I will show you how it comes. To find A, right, take any term, either you can take A4 or A7, whichever is easy for you. Let us take A4. A4 is equal to 17. So now at this step, you should be able to define the term A4. You should define it. How to define A4? It is A plus 3D. A4 is A plus 3D. 3 times the common difference to the first term gives you the fourth term, which I have in detail discussed in my previous classes. So A4 can be defined as A plus 3D is equal to 17. A plus 3 into the value of D is ready. Substitute it is equal to 17. A plus 3 2 is 6 is equal to 17. A is equal to 17 minus 6 and it comes A is equal to 11. So this is the method. So it's very simple method. You can adopt it and find the value of D when two different terms are given. You can easily use this formula to solve problems. So based on D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q formula, we will go with a little bit advanced problem. So this is the problem on the board. In an AP, A10 is 20, A20 is 10, find A30. So two different terms are given. And he is asking you to find out a term of that AP. He is not asking you D, he is not asking you to find out A. Directly he is asking you to find out A30. So in order to find out a term of an AP, in the previous class I have given you a hint on this. If you want to find out any term of an AP, you should be knowing the value of A and D of that AP. So in order to find out A30 of that AP, first you have to find out D by using these two terms, and if you substitute that D value in any one of the terms, you are going to get A. Using D and A, you will reach A30. Right. So let AP is equal to, bigger term is A20, A20 is equal to 10, AQ is equal to A10 is equal to 20. So let us go with the formula. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So D is equal to AP stands for entire AP stands for 10 minus entire AQ stands for 20 by P minus Q. So P value is 20 and Q value is 10. So that becomes 20 minus 10. So D is equal to 10 minus 20 is minus 10 by 20 minus 10 is plus 10. So 10 ones are 10 minus 1. Remember this. So D is equal to minus 1. Many students It's an error. Usually good students go with this simple mistake while solving problems. Be very careful. Okay, so we are having the value of D. Let us go with the value of A. So write down it to find A. So take any term you require, any term you can take. You can take A10 is equal to 20 or A20 is equal to 10. Whichever is you can take it. So A10 is equal to 20. Define A10. You have to define A10. So A10 can be defined as A plus 90. That is 9 times common difference and the first term gives 10th term. So A plus 90 is 20. D value is ready. A plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 20. A plus into minus is minus 9 is equal to 20. A is equal to 20. Minus 9 gets transformed to RHS, it becomes plus 9. So A is equal to 29. So first term is 29. So now we are having the value of D, we are having the value of A. You can easily reach the 30th term. So to find A30. So A30 can be defined as, see, this is the conceptual understanding required for solving these problems. When I introduced AP session, maybe session 3, in that session I have introduced the different relationship between first term and common difference of an AP. We discussed a lot of things in that. So please repeat that video once again if you need it. So based on that, A30 can be defined as when you add 29 times the common difference in the first term, you are going to get the 30th term. Or in the reverse order, if first term is added to 29 terms the common difference, then you get the 30th term. So this can be written as A plus 29D. So A30 is equal to A value is ready, that is 29 plus 29 into D value is ready, that is minus 1. So A30 is equal to 29 plus into minus is minus 29 plus 29 minus 29 cancels. So A30 is equal to 0. So many students write it as 1. Actually it is not 1, it is 0 because terms are getting side by side cancelled. Therefore it is 0. If it is getting cancelled one over by the other, then its value is 1. If it is 29 by 29, it is 1. 29 minus 29 is 0. This is also the usual silly mistakes what students do. What we observe while we are validating their answer sheets. We call students, we tell them this is the simple mistake. You should be very careful while solving problems in this. So when a student gets A30 as 0, a simple panic can be seen. This 10th term is 20, 20th term is 10, 30th term which is bigger than 10th and 20th, I am getting as 0. Is this right or wrong? See, observe the common difference. Common difference is negative. So 2-3 times I have told you in the video, if common difference of an AP is negative number, then the value of the terms in the AP goes on decreasing. So you can observe 10th term is 20, bigger one. 20th term is 10, it has decreased. So the 30th term should be equal to 0. So no need to panic. What the answer you have got here, put that answer to the data and you can check out indirectly so that you can come to a confirmation that your answer is right. No need to panic. So we'll go with the next problem. Okay, so we'll go with the next problem. In the following APs, some APs are given in your textbook. In the following APs, find the missing term in the box. So he has indicated the missing term as a box. So we have to find out the number which is going to occupy this box and make the AP meaningful. So you have to find out the second term because the box is kept at the place of second term. Therefore you have to find out A2. So A2 is a term. So in an AP, if you want to find out any term of an AP, you should be knowing the value of A and D. So directly we have the value of A here. Just we have to find out the value of D, that's enough. So let us write down the data. A is equal to 2. A2 he has asked you, so A2 is equal to not. So let us define A2. So A2 can be written as A2 is equal to A plus D. First term, if you add first term to one time common difference, you are going to get the second term. So A2 is equal to A is 2 plus D. So here we have come across two unknowns. One is A2, another is D. So you cannot get the value of A2. So therefore we have to first find out the value of D and then we have to find out A2. Right? So let us find out the value of D now. So two different terms are there. So A3 is 26 here. So A1 is given, A3 is given. So two different terms are there. So apply the formula. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. We find out D first. So let AP is equal to, which is the bigger term, A3 is 26, A3 is equal to 26 and AQ is equal to A1 is equal to, that is 2. So D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So D is equal to entire AP is 26 minus entire AQ is 2 by P minus Q. Value of P is 3 minus value of Q is 1. So D is equal to 26 minus 2 is 24 by 3 minus 1 is 2. One side goes. So therefore D is equal to 12. So the value of D is 12. So here we have the value of A, we have the value of D. So therefore easily we can find out the second term. So therefore A2 can be written as A plus D. So A2 is equal to value of A1, that is A is 2 plus D is 12. So A2 is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14. So the number which was in the box was, that is 14. Okay, the following techniques, find the missing term in the following. We will go with the second problem. So there are two boxes. The box appears in the first place and again in the third place. So then A first term is missing and third term is missing. So we have got the second term and fourth term. So once again the same theoretical part repeats. So if you want to find out the third term, then you need the value of A and D. So first we will find out the value of D using the second term and fourth term. Then we will substitute that value in any one of the terms. Then we will get A. We will get A here. Then we will find out the third term. That's the procedure. See, when a problem is given, you should think what are the steps you have to first, do second, do the next, and then how to conclude with the answer. So all these things, you are a beginner, I know that, but still if you practice problems well and you understand the theoretical part very well, then you will be able to analyze such the things what I am telling you. So first thing is, two different terms are there, you have to find out the value of D first. So write the data. Let AP is equal to the bigger term, that is this is the fourth term, that is bigger term. So A4 is equal to 3. So let AQ is equal to smaller term, A2 is equal to 13. So two different terms are taken. So write the value of D. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So D is equal to AP stands for the value 3 minus AQ. The entire value stands for 13 by P minus Q. P stands for 4 minus Q stands for 2. So D is equal to 3 minus 13 is minus 10 by 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 ones are 2. Don't do silly mistakes. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 5 is 10. So D is equal to minus 5. So D is negative, as I told you. Okay. So D we have got. We have to find out the value of A. So in order to find out the value of A, substitute the value of D in any one of the known terms which is given to you. Known terms, you can take the second term to find A. Take the second term, so A2 is equal to 30. Define A2. A2 can be defined as A plus D is equal to 30. So value of D is ready. A plus D value is minus 5. Keep it inside brackets is equal to 30. A plus into minus, minus 5 is equal to 30. A is equal to 30. Minus 5 gets transposed plus 5. A is equal to 80. The first term is 80. You have got it. First term is 80. So therefore, A is equal to 18 is nothing but A1 is equal to 18. So you have to find out the third term. Third term, to find A3. So A3 can be defined as A plus 2D. 2 times the common difference added to the first term is the third term, right? So A3 is equal to A value is ready, that is 18 plus 2 into D value is minus 5. So A3 is equal to 80 plus into minus, minus 5 is at 10. So A3 is equal to 18 minus 10 is 8. So A3 value is 8. So the term which comes in the first box is 18. The term which comes in the third box is 8. So this is the method. So we'll go with the next problem. The following APs find the missing term in the box. 5 comma, box comma, box comma, 9 1 by 2 is given. So 9 1 by 2 can be, it is a mixed fraction. You have to convert this into an improper one. 2 9s are 18 plus 1, it becomes 19 by 2. So A1 is 5. A 1 2 3 fourth term is 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So I have to find out A3, you have to find out, and also you have to find out A2. So in order to find out any term of a given AP, you should be knowing the values of A and D of that AP. So A is already ready here, just we need the value of D. So we can use the formula D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q to find the value of D. So let AP is equal to bigger term, that is A4 is equal to 19 by 2, and AQ becomes AQ is equal to A1 is equal to 5. So formula goes AP minus AQ by P minus Q. D is equal to AP is 19 by 2 entirely, 19 by 2 minus AQ is 5. The 5 can be written as 5 by 1 for convenience. P minus Q. P stands for 4, Q stands for 1. So that becomes 4 minus 1. So D is equal to, take LCM for 2 and 1. So 2 becomes the LCM. 19 by 2 into 2 is 19 minus 5 by 1 into 2 is 10 by 4 minus 1 is 3. So consider that we have 1 as the denominator for 3 because 3 is a rational number. Take 3 by 1 the reciprocal. So D is equal to 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2 into, take reciprocal of 3 by 1, that is becomes 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So D is equal to 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 1 is 2. So D is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of D. So now we have two things. One is the first term and we have the common difference. So easily we can find out the second term. So A2 is equal to A plus D. Very simple. So A2 is equal to A value is 5 plus D value is 3 by 2. So since 5 is a rational number, we can take one 1 in the denominator. So A2 is equal to, LCM for 1 and 2 is 2. 5 by 1 into 2 is 10. Plus 3 by 2 into 2 is 3. That comes to 13 by 2. So which is the second term? It is 13 by 2. So also we have to find out the third term. So either using the first term and common difference you can find out the third term, or if you add one time common difference to the second term, you are going to get the third term. Whichever method is required, you can do it. So I will go with this. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. I will use this. So A3 is equal to value of A is 5 plus 2 into value of D is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancels. So A3 is 5 plus remaining is 3. So A3 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So which are the required terms? A2 is 13 by 2 and A3 is 8. This is the method. So next problem. Minus 4 comma box comma box comma box comma box comma 6. So there are 4 unknowns. In the sense you have to find out the second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. So in order to find out any term of an AP, we need the first term and common difference. So first term is already ready here. Just we have to find out the common difference. So using those first term and common difference, you can find out the second term, third, fourth and fifth in a series. Let us go with the solution. So A is equal to minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth term is 6. Right, now, in order to find out D, let us use the formula. So let AP is equal to A6 is equal to 6, it is the bigger term. So AQ is equal to, this is A1 is equal to minus 4. Okay, D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q is the very simple formula. D is equal to entire AP value is 6 minus entire AQ value is minus 4. Please write it inside brackets by P minus Q. Value of P is 6 minus value of Q is 1. Okay, D is equal to 6 minus into minus plus 4 by 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So therefore D is equal to 2. So we have got the value of D. A is already ready, right? So A is equal to minus 4. D is equal to 2. Values are ready. You can easily find out the second term. So second term A2 is equal to A plus B. So A2 is equal to A is minus 4 plus B is 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So A2 is minus 2. Let us find out the third term. Third term can be written as A plus 2D. So A3 is equal to A value is minus 4 plus 2 into D value is 2. So A3 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 twos are 4. Cancels. Remember it is 0. So A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A4 is equal to A value is minus 4 plus 3 into D value is 2. So A4 is equal to minus 4 plus 3 twos are 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. So this is the fourth term, second term, third term, fourth term. Still we have to find out the fifth term. So A5 can be written as A plus 4D. So A5 is equal to value of A is minus 4 plus 4 into value of D is 2. So A5 is minus 4 plus 4 twos are 8. So A5 is minus 4 plus 8 is 4. So this is the value of A5. So one final conclusion, if you want to find out any term in an AP, you should be knowing the value of its first term and common difference. If you know the value of first term and common difference, you can find out any term of that AP. So this is the homework for you. The same problem, same method. Use all the theoretical things what I have told you. Use it, think and do it. If it is wrong, it's okay, nothing to worry. Nobody is perfect. Try it again until you reach the terms in the boxes. So I would like to conclude this video class today. I hope you enjoyed. The formula D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q is used when two different terms of an AP are given to find out the value of D, and then we find out the value of A. Then we can find out the term as well as we can find out the required AP in the coming problems. So these problems what we have solved today are very important. You have to practice these problems well so that they will be helpful for you to solve the coming problems which are still more complicated for 3 marks and 4 marks. I hope you enjoyed the class. So the notes for these problems is already in your WhatsApp group. Today I have sent it in the WhatsApp. Please take down the notes, be updated, practice problems, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.